Hey, what's up, people? So, my mean old sub-bass Cajon started making an annoying rattling sound that I did not like, and I tried finding something to, show me what the fuck's inside of it. I couldn't find anything, so this is what's inside of it. If you need to fucking take yours apart, it's fucking basic as shit. I chopped the side, a couple of the snares off because they were fucking just shot. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I moved the fucking snares over because they're like right here to start with. I don't know, see if it works. So I put it back together, and the buzzing is gone. It did work. I don't know what fixed it, if it was cutting off the ones on the end that were extra floppy, like I brushed against all of them and these two were just going batshit. Or there's a couple that were like overlaid. I bent them out of the way of each other. I don't know what fixed it, but one of them did. So, and the sealant around the head is not wood glue. It's like just some shitty little strip of adhesive they put on there, and you can pry it off without much trouble. Or at least mine did. If you have trouble, use a heat gun or some shit. I don't know. Good luck, motherfuckers.